The Renault Triber has scored 4 stars in the global NCAP crash tests. The Renault Triber was recently awarded a respectable 4-star safety rating from Global NCAP for adult occupant protection. The crash test was conducted under the Safer Cars for India campaign. Global NCAP, short form for New Car Assessment Program, is an independent body registered in the UK, and one of its main initiatives is to promote safer cars. Unlike the more stringent Euro NCAP, the Global NCAP test is carried out by crashing the test car into a semi-deformable structure at 64 km per hour. This type of crash test is used to simulate a 50 km per hour head-on crash with another vehicle of similar weight. As per Global NCAP statements, the Renault Triber used for this test came with just the basic safety specification. This basic safety net included 2 airbags, a seatbelt reminder and an ABS system. In the crash test conducted by Global NCAP, the Renault Triber was awarded a 4-star rating in adult occupant protection by scoring 11.62 points. From the crash test, it was noted that the head and neck condition was good for both the driver and the passenger, while the protection to the chest and knees were rated marginal and adequate respectively. However, the Renault Triber couldn't replicate a similar level of protection for its child occupants. The test was carried out using both the forward-facing child seat and the rearward-facing child seat, and the French-designed vehicle could only manage just 27 points out of 49 points, which only earned it a 3-star safety rating. One of the main reasons for a relatively lower score in child safety could be attributed to the absence of ISOFIX anchor points in the rear seats. This could have resulted in excessive movement during the impact. The Renault Triber tested in the Global NCAP came with a 72 bhp 1.0 litre naturally aspirated petrol motor mated to a 5-speed manual gearbox. In India, the Renault Triber is available with a 5-speed AMT gearbox too. Even though Global NCAP is not considered the toughest among crash standards, it is one of the most respected and is the most widely accepted standard. The Triber scoring 4 stars at the Global NCAP test is great news indeed for Renault. The French automobile manufacturer can now proudly sell more numbers of the Triber. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.